In this video, I'll show you how to play Watcher of Realms on PC. This is a quick and easy guide you can follow step by step. Watcher of Realms is a fantasy role-playing game developed by Skystone Games. Even though it's primarily made for Android, you can easily play it on your PC or Mac using an emulator called BlueStacks. To get started, open your web browser and go to the BlueStacks official website. Once you're there, click the button that says Play Watcher of Realms on PC. This will automatically download the BlueStacks installer to your computer. After downloading, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks. Once it's installed, click Launch to open the app. Inside BlueStacks, you'll see a built-in Google Play Store. Search for Watcher of Realms, then click Install. Once the installation is finished, the button will change to Play. Simply click it to start the game. Now you can enjoy Watcher of Realms on your PC with better performance, smoother controls, and a larger screen.